yn Cymraeg. Bore da, sut wyt ti, sut wyt ti? Da iawn, diolch, bore da, bore da.
Good morning, everybody.
Bore da, pawb.
Welcome to Cardiff Central Library House.
Croeso I Hybydd Llyfrgell Canolog Caerdydd.
Rydw i'n Anna, I'm Anna.
Dwi'n Sian, I'm Sian.
And we're going to sing with you in English and Welsh.
Ni'n mynd I canu gyda chi heddiw yn Cymraeg a Saesneg. A heddiw rydyn ni'n mynd I ganu caneuon am pryfed.
Today we're going to sing lots of insect songs.
Creepy, crawlies.
That's first.
Ond yn gyntaf yn gadael I paratoi. First we're going to get ready.
Yes, we're going to get moving.
So, you need to find your head, your shoulders, your knees, your toes, pen, ysgwyddau, coesau, traed. Ti'n barod? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Pen, ysgwyddau, coesau, traed. Pen, ysgwyddau, coesau, traed. A llygaid, glistiau, troen a ceg. Pen, ysgwyddau, coesau, traed. Da iawn! Very good job indeed. Now, are you ready, Anna? We've got a nice new one. Gan newydd. Now for this one, you need to hold on to something, or you need to sit on a lap, or sit on the floor, because we're going to be going up, down, side to side, back, forwards, round and round. I fyny I lawr, ochr I gochor, ar ôl ymlaen, a round a round. Barod? Ready? Up and down, and side to side, and forwards and backwards, and round and round, and round and round. Here we go again. Barod? I fyny lawr, a gochor I rochor, yn ôl ymlaen, a round, a dyma'r un cychwyn eto. Ready? Up and down, and side to side, forward and backwards, and round and round, and round, and now it's time to stop. Good job! That was fun! I do like that one. Now, oed ti'n barod I ganu caneuon am pryfed?
Yeah.
Are you ready
to sing some insect songs?
So, we're going to start with... Rydyn ni'n dechrau gyda...
Who's this?
Siani Flewog!
Siani Flewog,
Caterpillar! A mae Siani Flewog yn hoffi I wiggle.
Oh.
Siani
Wiggle,
Flewog
yeah.
likes to wiggle. Caterpillars like to wiggle. Are you ready to wiggle? There's a little caterpillar on a leaf. Wiggle, wiggle. There's a little caterpillar on a leaf. Wiggle, wiggle. There's a little caterpillar. Little caterpillar. A little caterpillar on a leaf. Wiggle, wiggle. Da iawn. Now, hold on to something if you've got something pretty to throw. Pilly-palla butterfly. There's a butterfly fluttering in the air. Flutter, flutter. There's a butterfly fluttering in the air. Flutter, flutter. There's a butterfly fluttering. Butterfly fluttering. A butterfly fluttering in the air. Flutter, flutter. Da iawn. Now, Anna, my wenywen.
Bye-bye.
No. We got a buzzy bee. Wenywen. There's a buzzy bee buzzing all around. Bzz. There's a buzzy bee buzzing all around. Bzz. There's a buzzy bee buzzing. Buzzy bee buzzing. A buzzy bee buzzing all around. Bzz. Very good, everyone. Now we're gonna sing. Now rydyn ni'n dechrau I ganu Mae wenywen yn yr ardd. The bee in the garden. Ti'n barod, Anna?
Dwi'n barod.
Mae'r wenywen yr ardd yn mynd bzz, bzz, bzz. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Mae'r wenywen yr ardd yn mynd bzz, bzz, bzz. Trwy y dydd. Na. Pili pal yn yr ardd yn mynd lan a lawr. Lan a lawr, lan a lawr. Mae pili pal yn yr ardd yn mynd lan a lawr. Trwy y dydd. I've lost my bag. Dwi'n colli fy bag. Bygiau. Mae bygiau yn yr ardd yn mynd bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Mae bygiau yn yr ardd yn mynd bounce, bounce, bounce. Drwy'r y dydd. Did you like that?
That was a good one, wasn't it?
That was a great one. Good job. Now, I know who's coming.
Oi ti.
Oh my goodness. It's a cripian o'r enw Wincy.
A spider. A teeny weeny incy wincy spider.
Are you ready? Incy wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So wincy wincy spider climbed up the spout again. And Cymraeg?
Right.
Dringodd y cripian I fyny bib yn hir. Glaw mawr y daeth a olchi nôl ei tir. Yn y daeth a halus sychau glaw I gyd. A dringodd y cripian yn bib yn ar y hyd. Lovely job, everyone!
Diolch yn fawr.
Beth am wenywen? Bees in the hive.
Are you ready, everybody? There's the hive.
Here is the beehive.
Here's the hive, but where are the bees? They're hiding inside where nobody sees. Here they come creeping out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Watch out, everyone! Oh, good job. Now it's time to see the caterpillar again. Siani Flewog unwaith eto.
Sitting on
Ready? One little caterpillar sitting on a leaf. One little caterpillar has a little sleep. The little caterpillar wakes up with a sigh. I'm not a caterpillar, I'm a great big butterfly. Yay! Bendigedig, pawb. Okay, now it's time for Siani Flewog.
Oh, Siani Flewog.
Siani Flewog am Gymraeg. Siani Flewog, ble di? Dringodd fyny'r adr ysgwyddi dy gosi di. Unwaith eto. Siani Flewog, ble di? Dringodd fyny adr ysgwyddi dy gosi di. Lovely job, everyone. Da iawn. Now,
Is it time
mae'n amser brysur now.
to get busy?
Are you ready, Anna?
I'm feeling a bit wibbly.
Are you feeling a bit wibbly?
Wobbly.
Bit wibbly wobbly. Jelly on a plate. Jelly on a plate. Wibble wobble, jelly on a plate. Cookies in the jar, cookies in the jar. Shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em up. Cookies in the jar. Candles on a cake, candles on a cake. Blow my, blow my, blow my, blow my candles on a cake.
Wow, happy birthday. Happy.
Da iawn, da iawn. And now it's time for,
Yes.
Dwi'n caru'r un yna. Is
Fi'n
ciro ein dwylo. Ti'n barod? Ciro ein dwylo. Ciro ein dwylo. Ciro ein dwylo. 1, 2, 3. Clicio y bysedd. Clicio y bysedd. Clicio y bysedd. 1, 2, 3. Stampio y traed. Stampio y traed. Stampio y traed. 1, 2, 3. Da, mwynhauais i hynny. Now, I bounce you here. Gan bounsio. Ready? Ti'n barod? I bounce you here. I bounce you there. I bounce you everywhere. I hug you here. I hug you there. I hug you everywhere. I tickle you here. I tickle you there. I tickle you everywhere. I jump you here. I jump you there. I jump you in the air. Da iawn! I like that one. Okay, now, are you ready? Mwy gan bounsio.
Mwy gan bounsio. Very, very bouncy song, everybody.
It is mynd ar y ceffyl, clippity clop. Mynd ar y ceffyl, jot, jot, jot. Lan y mynydd, lawr y cwm. Draw dros y dolig, bwm, bwm, bwm. Gyrru o gyrru, gyrru o gyrru, gyrru o gyrru fel y gwynt. Oh! Mynd ar y ceffyl, clippity clop. Mynd ar y ceffyl, jot, jot, jot. Lan y mynydd, lawr y cwm. Draw dros y dolig, bwm, bwm, bwm. Yay! Good job, everyone.
We have a race.
Oh, yes. Ras. Ti'n barod am ras? 1, 2, 3. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Go, go, go. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Woo! Yn gyflymach. Faster. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Go, go, go. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Woo! Da iawn, pawb. Oh, dwi'n ready blino nawr. Dwi'n barod am gan dawel.
Oh, me too. I'm ready for a quiet song now.
Oh, dwi'n hoffi Twinkle Twinkle. Ti'n barod? Ti'n hoffi Twinkle Twinkle? Twinkle Twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Lovely, hyfryd. Now, heno, heno. Heno, heno, hen blant bach. Heno, heno, hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Cysgu, cysgu, hen blant bach. Cysgu, cysgu, hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Mae'n lygodyn am cysgu. Now it's time to say goodbye. Are you ready? Goodbye to you. Goodbye to you. Goodbye, everybody. Bye. Goodbye to you. A Cymraeg. Hwyl fa ffrindiau, hwyl fa ffrindiau, hwyl fa ffrindiau. Mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Twralwra banta ni, banta ni, banta ni. Twralwra banta ni, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Diolch am gwylio, gweld i chi wythnos nesaf. Hwyl fawr!